What's up, you guys? It's Professor NFT here. So like always, before I get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. I found this project, you guys, which I found to be unique, different, and interesting. It is called NFT tabs. They are minting on February 2nd. So they actually didn't give us a website, you guys. They gave us a PowerPoint presentation. So what are NFT tabs? They are deflationary psychedelic utility NFTs that transform your beloved NFTs into tripped out gift versions. So I like this idea a lot. This idea is awesome. You could pretty much turn your JPEG into a tripped out GIF. So the tabs are actually divided into 4 tab design families, plus 8 legendary 1x1 tab designs commissioned from top Solana NFT artists. And don't forget, guys, as well, they are deflationary, which means they will be transformed forever. They're stackable as well. So let me show you here. So pretty much, if you use one tab, this is how you transform your JPEG. If you use 2 tabs, or up to 4 tabs, it shows you different examples what would happen. And 5 tabs will be the Solana palette, which is for maxed out effects. So what I also like about this project, they actually ask for verification as well. So you won't be able to use someone else's NFT and call it your own, and you won't be able to screenshot NFTs, guys, pretty much. And they also promised a music festival here. Let me show you on the roadmap that they would actually airdrop you ticket, and they're hosting it on the Solana metaverse. And then they do have the donation to the psychedelic research organizations, and they will probably collab with some big projects as well. So let's hop on their Discord here and show you guys. So they're at 14k members. Their public mint is at 1 SOL, and if you did get whitelisted, they're at 0.88. So that's all, you guys. We already know the mint is February 2nd, and I'm not sure if the team is doxed. You guys got to research it yourself. As I see right now, I don't think so. But go ahead and do more research on this, you guys. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Alright, guys. So I noticed in my recent videos that I always post videos of projects that are like less than 2 weeks away. But here's a project, Alpha Bots, that's kind of early that I saw that looked awesome. To be honest, I gotta do more research on this, but the roadmap looked great, and also the trailer was incredible. So you could check out their trailer on their Twitter, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna have it on their Discord as well. So try to get whitelisted here. They still don't have a release date for this project, and they still don't have a mint price. I'm guessing the mint price is gonna be quite high. Just looking at their trailer, you could tell this will probably be a great project, but like I said, I still got to research it more. I'll probably post a video of it in the future, but go ahead, check it out, you guys. Try to get whitelisted. That's all for me. Make sure you guys subscribe and join my Discord as well, where I do NFT calls. So I actually called Monkey Labs 2 days ago. They minted at 2 SOL, and now they are at 10 SOL. So go ahead and check out my Discord as well. I'll leave you guys to it. You guys have a great one, and I'm out. Peace.